So I'm going to show you how to set up a CodeIgniter project using the XAMPP server. So this video is going to expect that you've got a XAMPP server already installed. Open up the web browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome. Type in the search CodeIgniter. Go to the CodeIgniter website, it should be the first link. So on the home page, click the download button in the top right corner. So the version that you want is CodeIgniter 4, so click the download button under CodeIgniter 4. So once the file is downloaded, go to the downloads folder and unzip the zip file. You could do that by right clicking and selecting extract all. Deselect show extracted files, then click extract. So once the zip file has been extracted, go into the folder, rename this folder to CodeIgniter. So now we're going to need the XAMPP server running. Click the Windows Start button, type in XAMPP, then click the Open option. Once the XAMPP application has opened up, we want to start Apache, so click the Start button. Once Apache is running, click the Explorer folder. So in the XAMPP folder, open up htdocs. So htdocs is where we want to copy over that CodeIgniter folder. So go back to the downloads folder and open up the Igniter 4 folder. So the folder that we renamed earlier, we want to copy this. Go back into htdocs and paste that folder. So if I open up the CodeIgniter folder, you'll see the files and folders that make up the CodeIgniter project. If I open up the public folder, the index file is going to be the first file that loads when you run the project. Back on the XAMPP control panel, click the admin button to load up the dashboard page. So now we want to access that CodeIgniter folder. In the URL, replace dashboard with CodeIgniter and then /public, so we can run that index.php file that we saw earlier. So when you go to that URL, you're going to get this message. So what this message is saying is we need a PHP module enabled, and that module is the internationalization module. So go back to XAMPP and click the config button, and then click the php.ini option. So the php.ini file will open up in Notepad. So on our keyboard, hold down the left control key and then press the F key. So in the find text field, type in equals INTL and hit the enter key. So you'll see this line which represents the extension we'll need to enable. So to enable the extension, we just need to get rid of the semicolon at the beginning. So hold down the left control key and then press S to save the file. Now you can close Notepad. To enable that module, we'll need to restart Apache. So click the stop button and press start again. So back on the web browser, if you reload this page, it should work. If you see this page, that means your CodeIgniter project has been set up and is running on XAMPP. Leave a comment below if you have any queries or any issues, and thanks for watching.